Hello and welcome to MediaNama. In May 2025, the RBI released its annual report for the year 2024 to 25. The document provided a summary of various regulations implemented by the central bank in FY 25, alongside insights on the performance of the payment and the fintech sector in India. It also outlined the agenda for FY 26 across various sectors. Speaking of fintech, it set forth four major goals. First, expanding the scope and coverage of the central bank digital currency, or CBDC, to incorporate new use cases. While the retail digital rupee initially commenced with person to person or P2P and person to merchant or P2M users, the RBI is ramping up efforts for bilateral cross border CBDC pilots. Second, the bank aims to introduce a business to consumer or B2C functionality in the Unified Lending Interface or the ULI. For its third priority, the bank disclosed scaling up its AI/ML solution, MuleHunter.AI, in more financial institutions beyond a few larger public sector banks. And finally, the RBI aims to prepare a framework for responsible and ethical AI adoption in the financial sector. Moving to the payments ecosystem, the central bank set several goals in a department-wise fashion. For its Department of Payment and Settlement Systems, or the DPSS, they would survey the usage of digital payments. Through this evaluation, the institution would seek an understanding of the evolving trends and user preferences in the digital payments ecosystem. Moving forward, the department assigned our Reserve Bank Innovation Hub, or the RBIH, the task of curating a prototype of a digital payments intelligence platform, also known as the DPIP, to safeguard customers from digital fraud. And also, they were tasked with the formulation of the Payments Vision Document 2028. Finally, the DPSS was also given the responsibility of identifying frictions in cross border payments. This issue was highlighted in the Financial Stability Board's 2024 report on the Key Performance Indicators, or KPIs, for cross border payments. The document disclosed that complications in the beneficiary leg, or the time taken from the beneficiary bank to receive the payment to the final credit to the end customer's account, obstructed the speed of cross border transfers. For its Department of Information Technology, or the DIT, the RBI tasked it with commencing phase two of the Indian financial sector, or the IFS cloud. This phase would essentially focus on services like API management, availability zones, and security and operations, among others. Besides this, the DIT would develop EcoBay 3.0, which is the RBI's in-house project for next generation core banking system, formulate an alternate mechanism for digital payments, implement an AI governance policy, and enhance the overall trust in the financial sector. Besides the fintech and payment ecosystems, the RBI also directed measures for cybersecurity preparedness for its financial intermediaries. The intermediaries would have to conduct detailed thematic reviews on select areas of cyber risk like IT governance, third party IT service providers, etc. Additionally, they should improve cyber mapping of financial systems and conduct cross-sectoral and market-wide cyber crisis simulation. Finally, concerning consumer protection, the central bank aimed at ramping up its existing services. These include improving the complaint management system and reviewing its integrated ombudsman scheme 2021. The Consumer Education and Protection Department would also issue the master directions on the grievance redressal framework for regulated entities in the fiscal year 2026. Thank you for watching. For more tech policy updates, please subscribe to MediaNama.